This is a quick look at the projection alarm clock with the AM/FM radio. It's 8.3 inches long, 1.4 inches wide, and 3.4 inches high. Along with the unit, there is this power adapter with a 5 feet cord. There is also a little plastic gadget that goes on the back of the unit to provide better support. At the top of this unit you find the buttons to set the time, to change the dimmer level, to press for snooze, volume up and down, radio on and off, and to turn on the projection. The projection can turn all the way forward or backwards. On the back of this unit is the speaker. There is also a USB charging port, and this is where the power goes in. There is also a place for 2 AAA batteries to serve as a backup in case there is a power outage, and then the batteries will keep track of the time. There are also a user manual and a welcome card you can sign for a free 18 months extended warranty. Next we will plug in this unit and demonstrate the projection on the ceiling and some other features. With the unit plugged in, setting the time is as simple as pressing the hour button and the minute button, and you're all set. The time will lock in within 3 seconds. You can also change the dimmer to 3 different levels. This is the lowest level, which is perfect for completely dark conditions, and then you have the brightest and the one in between. The button all the way to the right is for projection options. Either it's turned off or it's turned on for projection to a rear wall, or another option to project the digits on a front wall. The button next to that is for the radio. You have the option of switching between AM and FM. And for each one of those you can use the tuning up and down buttons to search for the next station.
Even if it's not ideal, frankly.
So that's for FM and AM. And up to 10 stations you can lock into one of the 10 memories available for radio, from F1 to F10. This unit also has 2 alarm options. The buttons are on the left-hand side. And for each one of these alarm options you can select to set an audible alarm or a radio alarm. This is the end of the quick look at this digital alarm clock, and thank you very much for watching.